Slow down, Cooper. Slow down, Cooper. Hold on. We all ready? Okay. Hold on. Trail takes off there. Cooper wants to go that way. No, no, Cooper. Up. Up. Let's go. Up. You got your own way to cross, huh? Come on. This way. This way. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Up. This way. This way. Cooper. Cooper. Up. This way. There you go. Come on. Come on. Lots of rocks and dirt. I did tell you that we would bring you back, and we are here for our hammock overnight amongst the big trees. So we're ready to do this. We're excited. Cooper's set, I'm set, and I hope you are too. Good morning there, buddy. Hang tree number 1. Hang tree number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Actually, they're all clumped together there. But it was a windless night. Not a whisper of a breeze. And it was clear skies, so we slept under the stars without a tarp. We did bring the Warbonnet Superfly, but we didn't use it. Because through these trees, and on a clear night, we saw stars. We did have to use the bug net though, obviously. There's the ridge line there, and then the bug screen over the top. But still, not a bad sight at all. And that was the view from the hammock. Here's another first. I'm in the hammock and Cooper's out and about. Well then, Cooper, let's show everybody the clearing, huh? And just as quickly as all this appeared, let's go, buddy. Cooper and I disappear into the forest once again. I call them storybook trees. You hear about creatures living at the base of these, or even in the trunks. You could almost picture it for real. Of course, you hear them in storybooks, but they just keep going. And there's just a nice grove of them, preserved, saved, untouched, so that generations could simply stand at the base and be in awe, as I am. And these have been around for generations. Just happy to know that we do save things to admire, enjoy, and to come visit in their setting. and observe their life